Hi crafty friends, welcome back to Crafting with the Gringas. Today we're going to learn how to make the half double crochet. Stick around to the end for another practice project. Let's get started. We're going to make our slip knot. So we're going to make a loop on our finger and we're going to pull our tail up through the loop and tighten. Okay, that's our slip knot. I'm going to tighten that onto our hook. I'm using a 4 or 5 weight yarn and a 4mm hook. We're going to chain 6, so we're going to yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull up a loop, 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 yarn over, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and we're not going to go into this first chain from our hook, we're going to go into the second. Okay, so keep that in mind. But before we do that, we're going to yarn over. Okay, so we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to insert our hook into that first chain on our hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. You're going to want to hold the stitch tightly underneath it to give it stability. So let's try that again on our next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. We've got 3 loops on our hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull that through all 3 loops. And that's a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now we're on the last one. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull your hook through all 3 loops. And that's the first row of our half double crochets. You're going to chain 1, we're going to turn our work, we're going to yarn over, we're going to go into this next stitch. You're going to want to make sure, just like with the single crochets, that you have 2 of those strands of each stitch on your hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert your hook through both of those top strands, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into both of those strands, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, we're on our last stitch. It's a little difficult. You're going to want to make sure, look, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we need 1 more stitch. Yarn over, we're going to find that little V that we've got. Make sure both of those strands are on your hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, and that will be 2 rows of that's our 2 rows of half double crochets. Now I'll meet you over with our project. Okay, let's get started with our practice project, which is going to be a fidget bracelet. We're going to make a slip knot. Okay, let's pull our yarn tight on our hook. I'm going to chain 25 because I've already pre-measured my daughter's hand. You're going to want a big enough chain that can go over your hand, okay? Okay. I'm going to chain 25. Okay, I've got my 25 here. You're going to want to make sure that your chain is not twisted. Okay, you're going to want all the V's facing upward. And we're going to insert our hook into that first stitch that we made. And we're going to make a slip stitch. So we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Instead of yarning over like on a single crochet, we're just going to pass this loop through this loop, and that's called a slip stitch. Chain 1. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3. Yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, we're going to continue to make a half double crochet all along our project. In every chain, we're going to put a half double crochet. And I will meet you when you're at the end. I'm at the end of my chain and I have 2 more stitches to work into. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert our hook, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do another slip stitch. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're going to pull that loop through the loop on our hook and chain 1, and then we're going to keep doing a half double crochet into every stitch all along for our second row. We're going to repeat this process 6 more times. I will meet you back when you have your 6 rows of half double crochets. I'm back with my 6 rounds of half double crochets. What we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch into this last stitch and chain 1. Now it's time, we're going to fold our work. Okay. Get our little bracelet there all nice and ready. We're going to close off with a half double crochet as well. First we want to make sure that our marble fits in here. Okay, it looks like it does. We can take our marble out for just a minute and let's yarn over. We're going to go through the first stitch and then we're going to go through the chain, the bottom part right here. So we started here with our chain and worked up. So we're going to stitch both of those edges together to close them up. We're going to make half double crochets as well. So yarn over, stick your hook through both of our stitches, half double crochet, yarn over, stick your hook through both stitches, half double crochet, yarn over, stick your hook through both stitches, half double crochet. We're just going to continue to pull both of those together. Each edge, we're going to continue to crochet them together with half double crochets. Okay, and I've got a little bit here. I'm going to add my marble right now just because it's better now than forgetting. So you can place your marble in there where you've got your where you've got it already closed up, and we're just going to continue to grab the stitches parallel to each other and keep closing up our bracelet. Okay, I will meet you back when we've almost got our bracelet closed up. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I just have this part left to close up. So I'm going to yarn over and make a half double crochet. Yarn over and make a half double crochet. And on mine, the little stitch is kind of got sunk down in there, so just pull that up, make a stitch. Okay, and that's our slip stitch. Okay, and we're gonna slip stitch into the next one. Okay, we're gonna cut our yarn and pull our tail out of there. Now we're gonna grab our needle and we're gonna weave in our ends. We'll just weave in our end. Okay, and I like to take mine, and you're just gonna wanna, you can kind of push it into the, and down into the project a little bit, and we can cut that off. Okay, and now we're just gonna position it so that we've got the half double crochets on the top. And there we have our bracelet. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's project, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!